Akshita, and in today's video I want to talk about my hair care routine and how I get my hair to actually look like this, which took me years to kind of figure out. And also this is the first time I colored my hair ever. I did it like I think almost a month ago, and before that I had like virgin jet black hair. So anyway, first things first, I have low porosity hair. Who don't know what that is? Low porosity hair is basically your hair kind of repels water. It does not exactly absorb moisture, not just in terms of water, but water as such is not enough to hydrate and moisturize the strands of your hair. So you need products that hold and withhold moisture. And also one more thing, I just want to give a disclaimer. I live in a coastal area, which means the humidity is quite high. So I've accumulated products which work for me, which does not make my hair really like limpy and still gives it like a good volume. So let's get into it. First thing that I want to talk about is how do you take care of your hair with oil. Oil that I used is this one, and it's called the Kavyan Yadi Keralatelam. This was an oil which I saw a video of on, I think, Instagram, where they were talking about, I think this is an oil from Kerala or something, which I got on Amazon, and I love this oil. I've tried castor, I've tried almond, I've tried coconut. Coconut does not work for me, it's very thick, does not get off. Castor I mix it with rosemary and other essential oils, so it kind of works. But for a normal chumpy or like a oiling routine, this is the oil that I use. Oiling your hair, you want to massage it. There are two ways to do it. You can use the hands, or a silicone based sort of pokey thing. You put your hand inside this, and after, like, I do it like 1 or 2 minutes before oiling to kind of like open up my scalp. And then after I've oiled my scalp, I just go ahead with this, and I can somehow, I don't get bored while using it. I don't suffer from dandruff. Maybe during the winters, yes. I like to go ahead with the Ordinary's glycolic acid, and this is really good. Like, you don't need, I mean, yeah, okay, you can use an anti-dandruff shampoo, but it only helps you so much. I like to leave it overnight. You can also leave it for an hour. It gently like scrubs and exfoliates your scalp. And trust me when I say this, after like the other process that I'm going to show you for shampoo and conditioning, this leaves your scalp really clean, like squeaky clean. So this is one of the things that I like to do. Okay, now coming to my favorite part, which is shampoos. The one that cleans my scalp the most and in the best possible way is Pantene Lively Clean. Like a Pantene drugstore for me works better than a professional shampoo. And this one cleans my hair a lot, but it also kind of makes it dry. So, but like in terms of the scalp thing that I face, like the oiliness, that's gone. It leaves me feeling very clean. And so if you're someone who experiences that, I would, the oily scalp, I would recommend that. I like to alternate these specifically with, this is the Dove Scalp Hair Therapy Density Shampoo, and makes my hair feel kind of heavy. Like, not in a way that it makes it limp. It's just like if I hold my hair after using the shampoo, I can feel something different. Like, it just feels thick. Um, I think you guys should give it a try. If you're someone who has thin hair, and if you want to feel the little bit of weight, I mean, this is a density shampoo, so you should boost. It's a strengthening shampoo with niacinamide and zinc peptides, and it has zero sulfates. I like to do a double cleanse method. The first one is you take a little bit of how much ever shampoo you take, and you run it just purely on your scalp, and you give it a good cleanse. Then I go ahead with a little more shampoo, and then I do a proper cleanse of it. And I'm not saying like take 2 whole pumps of it and like just, because that way you'll run out of your product faster also. So like it's not efficient. If you're someone who uses conditioner and it makes your hair feel really heavy and weighed down, again, one of the products that works for me is Pantene. The conditioner that I use is Miracle Rescue Collagen Repair Conditioner. Apparently, it claims you can repair up to 3 months of damage in 3 minutes. Apply your conditioner. Please only apply it to the ends. You're not supposed to apply it to the roots, because otherwise your roots will again get clumpy and all the effort that you put in, like using the shampoo. The hair serums that I like to use is this one. This is the Biolage one, but again, this is heavy. Heavy in the sense like my hair does not take it well. So, I mean, maybe it can work on your hair, but particularly this is good for your ends. Like I cannot run it here because it kind of makes my hair a little clumpy. It's the one that I am using right now is by Dove again. It's called the All Day Nourish Hair Serum Bioprotein, and this one is really good. It's a very lightweight sort of serum. You don't feel it in the hair. It is a silicon based hair serum, which I think most are to make your hair feel this way. But it really absorbs very quickly in my hair. It has a shine to it, which I don't feel it with the uh, which one? Biolage one. And I don't particularly like to style my hair. I'm just gonna use a normal old t-shirt, or I don't like using towels either. I just use a cotton t-shirt, wrap my head around it, and let it dry for a bit, and then scrunch my hair a little because I have like a wave pattern. And yeah, that's the comb that I use for my hair. I just use one comb, and this is the only one that I use. It's a wooden comb. The reason I use this is because it doesn't break my hair as compared to the plastic one, because plastic bristles are kind of bendy. So if your hair gets stuck and then it bends, it breaks it. This one's sturdy, and apart from that, like a wooden hair comb does not give you a lot of static, which a plastic one would. So if you comb with a plastic brush, your hair will have a lot of static and it'll be more like poofy and frizzy to manage. A wooden comb doesn't do that, and it works pretty well. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and these are the recommendations for products I have made only for low porosity hair, fine hair, and someone maybe who has color treated hair as well. These are the products which might not work for everyone, so I don't want you guys to just go and buy it without knowing your hair type. This is why I'm just giving a disclaimer that these products work really well for me, and for someone who has this hair type, you can definitely go check it out and leave it in my comments if you actually like the product and it did make a difference for your hair, because that's what matters. And you stick to the routine, because yeah, if you want good hair, it's not about how many different types of products you try. You have to stick with one and build it over the years in terms of your routine. That's when you get to see an actual difference. But yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope this helps. I'll see you guys in the next one, and also please don't forget to subscribe and like if you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys. Bye bye.